Would NSR fail the MOT with that hole in it as well?
Yeah. Cool. I think it really depends how bad it is. I think if it's like pinhole, it's okay. I think if it's pinhole, it's okay.
That size the one that was in my MVX. It's a bit lower down, it's like on the underbelly.
Could you see it when it's cold because it was blue smoke? Smoke was coming out.
Yeah, you could, yeah. And that's why it's making that noise. When you're riding it, you can like hear the noise here instead of here. Shouldn't be that loud.
No. Oh. It's fucking raining.
Works by targeting the enzymes of lectin growth, blocking their blood supply. It's already been tested on patients with cancer and their kidneys and gut. But experts think it could be used for other forms of disease, but not used properly.
Stop it.
This was like a massive boost, particularly. It was a complete
That's the way to do it.
We've been hearing about the potential new range development. After news on Friday, the council is taking increases housing development in Birmingham, between others at the most. They've also highlighted other areas that need improvement.
The next thing we would probably be looking at would be either a link road between the A365 at the Aprilia RS50 road or a second bridge crossing. And probably we would be looking at.
She goes quite well to it, doesn't she? Comfortable.
How long do you record on that?
I've got a 2 GB memory stick in here. There'll be
It's amazing what memory they could fit into such a small space.
Yeah, true.
I'm ready for a council helping doing their bit to help the environment during the July